it's Crafty Life, and today we are doing a review on some slime, barrel slime. So over here it says Creatology, I think, and it says Halloween, so it's Halloween, and slime barrel, and that's just in Spanish, I think, and it says not a food item, so do not eat. Okay, so we got this from Michael's for $3. $3, do you guys see? And make sure 4 and plus if we're going to play with this. And it says just one piece in there. And then there's just the tag. So, okay, so now let's open it. Okay. It looks like a really jiggly slime if you do that. So it's purple and black. This is from Michael's, by the way. Okay, so... Oh, whoa, okay. Whoa. This one's cool. It's cool, but it's really jiggly. Oh, wow. Wait, there's something in it. Oh, I think these are supposed to be separate. Uh-oh.
Oh, let's separate them.
There's already black in the purple, and there's purple in the black. Okay.
Let's do some ASMR.
You can't really do ASMR. So this one is purple, like a really pretty purple. When you do that, it turns darker. And then this one is just like a black.
And guys, we got this for $1. It shows $3, but it was on sale. So, yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Hey, do you want to try one? You want to?
Sure.
Whoa.
It's like water, guys.
Yeah, it feels like water.
You guys should get this.
You should. It's really cool. We have the Halloween version. Okay, so let's just do some ASMR. Whoa, oops, I mixed them. The purple first. So let's do the black one now. Whoa, okay. The noise is like water. It's weird. Okay, so bye guys. This was a fun review, and we'll see you on the next video. Make sure to comment and like down below. Bye.